All right, let's move on to monetization. So this is exciting. YouTube is a great way to make money, and that's why some of you are here probably. So if we click on this monetization page, which you might not see yet, we're going to see all of the different ways that we can make money on YouTube specifically. So I'm going to move over to the channel that I just created for this account. So if you're in YouTube Studio, so the beta version right now, if you don't have monetization set up and you're using the Studio beta, go under Other Features and then Status and Features. This is going to take you to this page that we saw before where you can enable monetization and all of these other things. So you'll want to click Enable Monetization, and this takes you through a process for monetizing your account. So you're going to have to go through their terms and agreements. You're going to have to sign up for an AdSense account, which is how you are going to get paid, set up your monetization preferences, etc., etc. Notice at the top, though, that a channel can't be monetized until you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. So focus on growing your channel and getting views and subscribers before you consider monetizing your channel, okay? Once you are ready, though, click the Start button. You're going to read through all of this, make sure you read everything, and then click I accept. After you've done that, sign up for AdSense, click Start. It's going to redirect you to AdSense, so click Next. All right, so it's going to take you through a few steps to set up if you haven't done so already, or if you already have an AdSense account, you can just sign into that AdSense account. Since it does show a lot of my personal data in there, I'm not going to show you those steps, but if you have questions, please let me know, but it's pretty straightforward. Just go through all of those steps. And then for your monetization preferences, we can click Start. It's going to ask you whether you want to monetize all existing and future videos. You can turn that on or off. Turning it off allows you to pick and choose which videos you want monetized. You can also choose which types of ads you want to show. For example, the first one is required. It's called display ads, and these are the ads that show up on the right-hand side of the video player. Those show up on all videos if you have monetization. Overlay ads, these are the ones that pop up on top of your video at the very bottom of the screen. Sponsor cards, so these are cards that are sponsored that show up on your videos, or the skippable video ads, which most of you are probably well aware of. Those are the ones that you have to click after 5 seconds or whatever to skip. So you can choose whether you want all of those or not, and then once you're happy, you can click Save, and you could always update these. So here you can see that for this channel, I have to wait until I get 4,000 watch hours and 12 months in the past 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. Now, you don't have to be around for 12 months. You just have to get 4,000 hours within a rotating 12-month range and that 1,000 hours. So if you're on the Studio beta now, you're still not going to see the monetization option because you're not enabled yet. You can still get to that page by going under Other Features, Status and Features, and then Monetization. So if you click Learn More, it's going to take you to this page again to kind of see if you've been verified or not, okay? If you are, though, once you have been verified, monetization will appear as a page in your studio. So here you can see an overview of the types of options you have. You can click these pages to get more information. Basically, on YouTube itself, you have 3 ways to make money: advertising, merchandise, and live chat. Mike is going to go through in a future section more information on how you actually can use these and implement these to make money. But I just want to show you here in this lesson how you get to these different options. So you have a tab for merchandise and you have a tab for live chat. We've already seen the monetization options for your videos for ads, but for merchandise and live chat, this is where you get started. So live chat is where if you are doing live streams, and now this new feature called premieres, where you launch a video and it is more like a movie premiere at a specific time. You get everyone to watch it at the same time. You can have super chat, which basically allows people to just pay you while you are doing a live stream. Merchandise is if you have shirts or other merch, and if you use Teespring, you can actually hook up your channel and you can sell your merch through your videos that way. Just click get started on each of these to work through those. But again, Mike is going to be going through those settings in a future lesson. All right, so that's the monetization page. If you have any other questions, let me know. And good luck getting started with monetization.